Hi everyone, this is Amrita and today's video is about how to gain weight. A lot of you have requested this topic, so I decided to dedicate an entire video to it. Now, a lot of people who want to lose weight think weight loss is really hard and envy people who are thin. On the other hand, for some people who want to gain weight, I know some of y'all and I know and I acknowledge that the struggle is real. It can be as hard to gain weight as it can be to lose weight. Now, whether your focus is weight gain or weight loss, let's make one thing very clear. We're talking actually about muscle and fat mass here. When you want to gain weight, you actually want to gain muscle mass, which will naturally be accompanied by a little gain in fat mass too. Similarly, when you want to lose weight, what you actually want to lose is fat mass, which may be accompanied by a little loss of muscle mass as well.
अबे फूल दे रहा मसल देखा मसल के रख दूंगा अबे बॉडी दिखाता है 1.5 पसली सुन ले रवि.
And when you gain or lose a significant amount of fat or muscle, it will reflect on the weighing scale too. Okay, let's talk about two strategies you can use to gain weight: diet and exercise. So, diet. The most important thing here is the number of calories from the food that you eat. Sometimes you might just have a super fast metabolism. This means that you burn more calories when you are exercising and even when you are simply at rest doing nothing. It may seem that no matter how much you eat, you just can't seem to gain any weight. But there is hope for you after all. It just takes a little bit of planning. You need to choose the right foods to suit your weight goals. So here are some of my favorite foods that I use with clients to help them increase their calorie needs. You can use these too, and these can help you towards your weight gain goals. First is butter, oil or ghee. Make sure that your rotis and rice have about a teaspoon of ghee or oil added to them. This will increase the caloric content of the meal without affecting how full it makes you feel. Number 2, nuts and oil seeds. These are a great source of heart-healthy fats and can easily add a decent number of calories to your meals. You can either eat these whole or you can even crush them into a powder and sprinkle them over your meals and eat. Number 3, cheese. Another nutrient and energy-rich food product. It's super tasty, super convenient to use and can be easily added to your meals. Cheese can also be eaten as a snack all by itself. Number 4, milk. Do make sure that you are eating full-fat milk and milk products. None of that low-fat or skim milk stuff. Make sure that you are eating frequently enough throughout the day. Sometimes we can get busy, leading to eating lesser food, which may result in an overall lesser calorie consumption in the day, which might be affecting how and why we don't gain weight. One way to know if this is what is happening to you is to see what your routine is like on a holiday or over the weekend. Is the way you eat different? Are you eating more meals? Are you eating more food in general? Sometimes even being relaxed can impact hunger and appetite. So this little exercise will give you a little insight into whether or not stress is actually causing you to eat less. So that was all about using diet to help you gain weight. Let's now move into why you should exercise to help you gain weight. First of all, the simple act of exercising stimulates your appetite, so this automatically sets you up to eat. When you exercise, you obviously use more energy than you do when you're at rest. So your body needs more energy to refuel and to repair post-exercise, which is why you may even end up eating more than you normally do. This is one way that exercise can help you gain some weight. Secondly, exercise helps with preserving and even building muscle tissue. Now, muscle tissue occupies very little volume, but it weighs a lot. So even if you gain a small amount of muscle, it will reflect on the weighing scale. This added muscle weight is the kind of weight that you want. But again, this only happens when you exercise.
Dylan! You son of a...
Excess calories without exercise creates only fat, and we don't want too much of this kind of weight. So make sure that you exercise. Preferably, make sure that your exercise has some kind of strength and resistance training in it so that it can help you gain muscle and add healthily to your weight. Lastly, please remember, genetics also plays a role in how you look. Just like some people in larger bodies may never lose too much weight, some people in smaller bodies may never gain too much weight. You can very well try though. Include some of the above mentioned foods in your diet regularly for a couple of weeks. You can even reach out to me if you're unsure about how to go about doing so. I want to end with the last couple of sentences about body image. In the last couple of months, Instagram as well as other social media platforms have blown up with influencers trying to sell a particular lifestyle in order to help you achieve a particular body type. Now, while this can sound very appealing, please note that the results are very short-term and they can create long-term physical and mental health effects. Absolutely nothing replaces consistency in your exercise and in your food patterns. So eat well, exercise, and big or small, please remember that all bodies are good bodies. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this video with others who may also find it helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments below. Reach out to me on Instagram or please send me an email. I hope to hear from you very soon. Until then, take care and keep shining.